In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header and footer on a specific page in a Wix website. If you want one page on your site to look cleaner, more focused, or more like a landing page, hiding the header and footer can be a really useful option. This is especially helpful when you don't want visitors to get distracted by extra navigation links or footer content while viewing a certain page. The good news is that Wix makes this very simple once you know where to click. To get started, go to your Wix site editor and open the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left area of the screen and click the Pages drop-down menu. This is where you can switch between the different pages on your website. From that menu, choose the specific page you want to edit. Make sure you select the correct page before moving on, because the change you're about to make should only apply to that page. Taking a second to confirm this can save you time later. After you've opened the page you want to work on, go to the bottom left side of the editor and click on Layers. The Layers panel gives you a clearer view of the elements on the page, including sections like the header and footer. This can be easier than trying to click directly on those areas in the editor, especially if the page has a lot of content. Once the Layers panel is open, locate either the header or the footer, depending on which one you want to hide. Next to that section, click the three-dot icon to open more options. In the menu that appears, click Hide. As soon as you do that, the selected section will be hidden on that specific page. If you want to hide both the header and the footer, just repeat the same process for the other section. Open the three-dot menu and click Hide again. It only takes a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the header and footer on a specific page in your Wix website. If needed, you can always go back later and reverse the change by returning to the same area in Layers. This is a quick and effective way to customize the layout of individual pages without affecting the rest of your site.